Hello and welcome. My name is MK and I'll be host. Today we'll be talking about Metamask. It's a topic that a lot of friends, families requested, and I thought to make a video and explaining what Metamask is and how to download the Chrome version, the Chrome extension. So, what Metamask is a crypto wallet, a gateway to blockchain app, and is being used by 21 million users worldwide. So it's one of the well famous wallets that is being used, especially in the DeFi side of things. And you can buy, store, send, and swap tokens. And it's and explore the blockchain apps. MetaMask provides the simplest yet most secure way to connect to blockchain-based applications. You're always in control when interacting on the new decentralized web. So you're always in control of your money, and no one is in control of your money, so you can do whatever you want with it. There's a small video at the bottom if you scroll down explaining. If you want, you can watch it, and you just go to metamask.io and scroll down, and it will explain to you. Go through the app, and those are some of the partners that MetaMask have. And yeah, let's get to it, and I'll show you guys step by step how to do it. Let's go. So first thing what you need to do is go to metamask.io, and then once you get to this page, you will see MetaMask, and make sure you're in the right page. So then you click on download. Once you download, today what we will be talking about is Chrome version of the MetaMask, and they have the iOS and the Android version as well. You can download both of them. But today on this video, we'll go through with the MetaMask Chrome version or the Chrome extension. So you come to this page and you'll click Add Chrome, and then add it to the extension. And then you should download it. Once the download is complete, it should say adding to Chrome. It takes a bit of time, and it should hopefully pop up here. It's doing the check. Okay, auto sync with it. And now you have, you know what, we will just leave this for now. And then we're going to go here, pin it, and then you got it showed there, right? So to do that, you'll need to click on this jigsaw looking shape. And once you do that, you'll come here, you see MetaMask, click on that, and then you should be able to pin it. So now we will get here, it will say welcome to MetaMask, and we're going to get started step by step. We'll see how to do it. So let's go. So now you get to here. What you can do, if you have a MetaMask already, then you can go here and import your wallet seed phrase, and it should automatically restore that for you. But this is gonna be we're gonna do a new one just for this video and showing you guys step by step how to do it. So we're gonna click on create a new one. It will give you an information, and you just agree to those information. Then you'll do a password specifically just for so that you can log in. And this is not your password, it's for the app, for the MetaMask. It's just for when you log in through this device especially. So we make a password for it. Make sure it's a strong password, guys. Do it again, same password. Okay, and now you go through the terms and read through it. You click I have read and agreed, create, and now what it will do is it will generate your seed phrase. Uh, there's a small video you watch here. You go next, and now it will show you your seed phrase. So now what you do is click here. You make sure, guys, you note this seed phrase down. You should never show this to anyone, but this is just for this video. So what we're gonna do is get this, copy it, and we'll have it saved somewhere. And you go next, and now it will ask you step by step which in order what it is. So because I copied it, I'm gonna paste it here. And now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna move this here, and we've got ignore, pond, diesel, kind, method, sustain, trash, muffin, burden, blade, daughter, and kitchen. And as you confirm, congratulations. Now you've got yourself a MetaMask. Please, guys, make sure you write down those seed phrases in 3 different papers and keep them separately somewhere, and give it to someone that you trust, or keep them somewhere that you know that is safe and no one can get to it. Because if you lose those, then you won't be able to get to your MetaMask. So let's go. Now you are officially got a MetaMask wallet, and this is your overall how it will look like. So now what I'm gonna show you guys how to, and so this is your wallet, and what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna go here, and here what you can do, the general thing is convert, like for example your currency conversion, you can change it to whatever country you are in. I'm gonna keep it in USD for now, but usually I do it sometimes GBP. Okay, let's keep it in. And the primary currency, some people do it fiat, I do usually I just keep it as ether, or you can do it in fiat, so that way you see the value of the total of your wallet in pounds sterling, or maybe whatever currency you are in, English. This is another high tokens. So those things is another security things that you can do. The other things that you can do, guys, is download the state log if you want, and you can sync it with your mobile as well. So once you download the app, you can sync it with the mobile. I'll make another video for that to show you guys. And the other thing you can do is reset your wallet, and all your transaction history will reset. Contacts as well, guys. It's a good thing to do, just to save you the hassle. So if you want to add someone that has another Ethereum based wallet, and you can add their wallet in here, name, for example, John, and here you can put their wallet address. Make sure it's Ethereum, guys. Make sure it's the right address, and then you put the address and you save. So the other things that you can do is, this is the network, an Ethereum network. Security wise, you can see in case you didn't write your pass and seed phrase, you can reveal it here and write it down somewhere. And if you want to go back to the main page, you just click on this icon here and it will take you back. And if you want to copy, if you were ever to send your wallet address, your Ethereum wallet address, every coin that is ERC20 based, that is Ethereum and network based, you can use this address for it. So you just copy it by clicking on it and just pasting it. The other thing that you can do is if you want to add a token, there's two ways that you can add the token. One is by just searching it, Uniswap. So Uniswap there, and then you just click and it will import it for you. And now you got yourself Uniswap coin on your wallet as well. So the same principle for any token. The other way that you can do it is custom token, I mean. So you get the contract address, the token contract address. So now let's say an example, we want to get the contract address for Uniswap. You go coin market cap. That's what I usually use. You go here, tend to be the safest one. So once you get here, you just click search, Uniswap. You got yourself Uniswap, and you just, the address is there. You copy it. Now you go back here, paste it. You got yourself. Now it says, because we added the token already, it says the token has already been added. So that's another way to do it. The other thing that you can do also, you can do a sub account. Just create and you just make another account and it will generate another account for you. So then you have two different wallets accounts in there. So that's one wallet and then you got another account. Or what you can do as well is import another account of yours separately from this and have two different accounts in there as well. Ways to send money. If you wanna send money, you just go here, get the person's contract address, you put it here, and it will tell you the gas fees, the amount what you want to send, the assets, whatever you want to send. Make sure it's Ethereum base, and then you put the amount, and then you just put it there. Next, and it should work. The other thing that I wanted to cover, guys, is buying. One thing that I like about MetaMask is you can buy it directly within the app. And I believe you have to do like sort of a verification KYC. But once you do that, you will be able to buy it directly. So you can do either direct deposit from another exchange, or you can buy it with wire straight away, and you just go through a simple KYC. And once you do that, you just go there and do, it's a third party, but it will be connected to your wallet. And yeah, then you should, once you do everything, confirm everything, you just put the currency that you're going to be using. Let's say GPP now. Let's say £100 of it, and you'll get, for £100 you'll get 0.02 ETH, 266 ETH, and this is the transaction fee. It will be to be confirmed, or I'm not sure what that means, but the network fee as well. That's what the network fee is going to be. So your total of £100 purchase, you end up paying £14.25. You just click authorize, and then you do next, and you go through the KYC, and it should show up in your account. Okay, guys, I believe I've covered pretty much everything in terms of how to set it up. I hope that was informative and helpful. Anything else that I've missed, please just let me know. And guys, please make sure you comment and like and subscribe for further content. And thank you very much for your time, guys.